Okay, in this question we're asked to name this epoxide. And the first thing you want to do is, as always, select the longest continuous carbon chain that contains this epoxide. And we have two options. Okay, we can select this chain that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon atoms. Or we can select this chain that also contains 9 carbon atoms. So how do we decide the difference between those two? What you want to do is you want to pick the chain, if they're of equal length, you want to pick the chain that has more substituents. Okay, so in the one we have drawn in blue, in addition to the epoxide, we have 1, 2, 3 substituents. In the chain drawn in red, in addition to the epoxide, we only have 1, 2 substituents. So the way we have it selected in blue is our best parent chain. Okay, so because we'll pick that as our parent chain, we'll number that chain. And we want to start at the end closest to the epoxide. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so our parent is going to be nonane. Okay, we can write out our substituents. We have a 4-propyl group. We have a 4,5 epoxy. We have a 7-ethyl. And an 8-methyl. Okay, so now we just put those substituents in the name in alphabetical order. So we start with epoxy is the lowest alphabetically, so we write 4, 5 epoxy. Then next would be ethyl, so we write 7-ethyl. Then 8-methyl. Finally, we have 4-propyl. And then we put in our parent, which is nonane. Okay, so that gives us D as the best answer. Okay, if we'd used the other chain that we first circled, we would have that isopropyl substituent. But again, if two chains of equal length are present, you want to select the one that has more substituents.